Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. Into this video is going to be a short one because I had a comment on YouTube when I worked with Qwen 3.6. I had the comment how we can add that in VS Code. And in this video I'm going to show you 3 methods how you can work with Qwen Code 3.6 plus inside the VS Code. And yeah, the first one, you can go to Marketplace Visual Studio and search for Qwen Code Companion. This is from Qwen, is preview right now, but yeah, you can install and work with this. And if I open the VS Code, here is the VS Code. By default, when you install the VS Code, you have also this chat here, okay? And go and install this Qwen Code Companion extension. After you install this and go to open the chat, you can open the chat through this button or with the Option Command B. And then here we have 3 dots. We can click and we can switch between default chat and also the Qwen Code. I have also the Cloud Code, but yeah, we can go to Qwen Code and we can see here switch models. For example, we have the Qwen 3.6 plus, and yeah, has a 1 million context to be used. The first method is through this extension. The second method is with another extension, which is the RU code. Here with the RU code, I have chosen the open router. So if you go to open router, go to personal, create an account, go to personal settings, and you need to create an API key. After that, you can use that API key in the open router. So here, for example, you have a default, which is the Qwen 3.6 plus. Is free, but you can go here default, go to settings, providers, choose a open router provider, paste that API key you created here, and then on the model choose the Qwen 3.6 plus, which is free. Okay, this is the second method, and the third method is through the terminal using the open code, and here you can choose models and select the Qwen 3.6 plus, which is free also here. So that's it all about this video. What I wanted to show you 3 methods how you can work with Qwen 3.6 plus in VS Code. If you like such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and I'm going to see you in the next one. All the best.